This week's portion, Nitzavim-Va-Yelech, is a double portion and is always recited, according to the rabbis, on the Shabbat before Rosh Hashanah, before the Jewish New Year. The rabbis, in their wisdom, tried to coincide the Torah reading cycle with the holidays so that the message of the Torah reading coincides with the message of the holiday itself. And so as we prepare to enter the new year with a clean slate, focusing on our actions, hoping that the new year will be a better one, a year of peace for the community, but a year of internal peace for us, knowing that we are doing all we can to try to improve our lives and improve our personalities and our values, ethics and morals, etc. And so with that, it's also a sense that everyone is involved in this process. Rich and poor and like, all in the community need to be involved in this process of self-reflection and self-improvement. And it is therefore striking that this week's portion begins with the idea that all, Moses says, are part of the covenant with God. It's not the elite class, the Kohanim, or the elders in the community who have access to the Torah and the covenant, but all have access, including, Moses says, the water drawer and the wood chopper. So it's interesting that Moses uses these two jobs as an example. Obviously, these are menial tasks meant to represent people of lowly status in the community who have equal status to the Torah just as everyone else does. But why did Moses choose those two jobs as the example? He could have chosen anything. What does water and wood have to do with the Torah? And so there's a beautiful midrash that I remember hearing in a Torah discussion that I led years ago on a Shabbat morning when someone suggested, well, Torah is equated to water and to trees. Torah is a tree of life, a tree that provides sustenance and nourishment for us, for our lives. And Torah is also equated with water. Just as we need water to live, so too we need Torah in order to survive. And so this beautiful image helps us understand access to Torah. All have access to Torah, and Torah is sustenance for our lives. May this new year, which begins next week, may this new year be one of peace and fulfillment for all of us. Shabbat Shalom.